Okay, hello dear students. This is the continuation of last video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about continuous data or problems based on continuous data. Okay, continuous data means where class intervals are given and frequencies are given. Okay, class intervals 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So what you have to remember here, first you have to find out the x values. X value means midpoint. Okay, 0 to 10. How to find out the x value? Middle value. Okay, 0 plus 10 divided by 2 means you'll get 5 as the value. Okay, then 10 to 20, 10 plus 20 divided by 2, value will be 15. The same way, find out all the mid values, x values: 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Then what is the next step? Log x value. I have told you how to find out the log x value. Go to the log table, find out the 5.0's value. If you are not having 5's value in your log table, if it starts with 10, then you have to find out the 50's value. In 50, you have to see zero's value. See here in log table, 50 is there. 50 in that 0, 6990 we are having. So same value you can take here, 6990. Okay, 6990. Then before point, x value is 5 here, 5.0. Before point, how many values are there? Only one value is there. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then 15 log x value is 1761. Before point, 15.0 means before point we are having two values. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. In the same way, you have to find out all the values. Then what is the next step? After completing log x column, you have to find out f log x. F log x means what? F into log x. Okay, f into log x we have to do. Now f is 8 and log x is 0.699. 8 into 0.699 is equal to 5.592. Then next 12 into 1.1761 is equal to 14.1132. Okay. Then next one, 20 into 1.3979 is equal to 27.958. In the same way, you have to calculate f log x values for all the numbers. Then after calculating this, do the summation of f column, you'll get n. Then do the summation of f log x, you'll get summation f log x. Then insert or input these values in your formula. Geometric mean is equal to anti-log in bracket summation f log x divided by n. Summation f log x is 63.5406 divided by 50. So you'll get the value as 1.2708 after dividing 63.5408 with 50. Then what is the next step? Go to anti-log table, find 0.27's value in zeros column and add mean difference 8. 0.270, 0.27 in that we have to find out 0. Okay, 0.270, 1862 I guess, right? 1862. Then next one, mean difference. Mean difference is how much? Tell me what is the mean difference value here? Mean difference 8's value. We need the mean difference 8's value. Okay, mean difference 8's value is how much? Mean difference 8. Okay, in 27 we need mean difference 8. In 0.27 mean difference 8. Just a minute. 0.27 mean difference 8 is equal to 4, right? 4 or 3? 3. It is 3. In 0.27 mean difference 8 is equal to 3. Okay. Plus 3 we have to do. We'll get 1865 as a value. Yes or no? We'll get value as 1865. Yes, 1865 will get. Then before point, how, what is the value? 1. Before point 1 is there. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. After 2 digits we have to put point. After 2 digits means after 18, 1 and 8 we have to put the point. So we'll get the answer as 18.6 865. Okay, in this way we have to calculate the value of geometric mean when continuous data is given. Next we'll discuss about one more problem. It is based on growth rate. I have told you while discussing the theoretical part in live class, right? I was discussing about the theoretical part in yesterday's live class. In that I have told you when growth rate is asked, you have to apply geometric mean. Now here an economy grows at the rate of 2% in the first year, 2.5% in the second year, and 3% in the third year, and 4% in the fourth year. What is the average rate of growth of the economy? They have asked. So, first of all, when there is average rate is asked, you have to calculate geometric mean. Keep this in mind. After that, how to consider the values here? See, they have given growth rate of first year as 2, second year as 2.5, third year as 3, fourth year as 4, right? Then you have to take base as 100. Okay, you have to take base as 100. If base is 100, 100 plus 2, 102. Base is 100, 100 plus 2.5, 102.5. 3 means 103, 4 means 100 plus 4, 104. Understood? Base is 100 here. Means what? Before 100 was the growth, 2% increased, 102. Then you have to consider these values are x. Economy at the end of the year, this is the x value now. Okay. Economy at the end of the year is the x value. You have to find out the log x value for these particular numbers. That's it. You know how to find out the log x values. Go to 10 and find out 2's value. Go to 10, find out 2's value and add mean difference 5. Go to 10, find out the 3's values and directly you can write here. Then 104 means 10 in that 4 value. Okay. Then how to write the number before point? How many values are there before point? 1 or 2.0 means before point 3 values are there, so we'll get 2.0086, then 2.0170, 2.0128, 2.017. These values will be log x values. Next procedure is same. Geometric mean is equal to anti-log in bracket summation log x divided by n. Then you'll get 8.0491 divided by 4. How to consider 4 here? Small n means number of observations, you know that. How many years data is given here? 4 years data is given. First year, second year, third year and fourth year. So summation log x divided by small n. You'll get value as 2.0123. Now what is the next step? Go to anti-log table. 0.1's value in second column, add mean difference 2 and add mean difference 3. Okay, you'll get the value as 102.9. How to put the points here? You'll get the value as 1029. Before point 2 is the value here. 2 plus 1 is 3. After 3 digits you have to put the point. Understood? Like this you have to solve the problem when average growth rate is asked. I hope you have understood this problem. Now what you have to do? You have to solve rest of the problems. Here one problem is given, another one problem is there, that is also based on growth rate. Same problem we have discussed now. Okay, then other exercise problems given in the book. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime. Thank you. I hope you understood all the problems. Follow both the videos, first one and second one. Thank you.